Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and today I'll show you how we can boot your device into safe mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key and select power off. Now once the phone turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. If you don't see anything show up on a screen, after like a couple seconds, you can let go of those keys and then start holding them again. The phone is really slow, so it was apparently still turning off. Now, it looks like I held it for too long also, so let's do that once more. So anyway, once you see the Mi logo, let go of the power key. And this will take us to the recovery mode. And here, using volume keys, you want to select our last option, which is safe mode. Confirm it with power key. And this will reboot the device and now start booting it back up into safe mode. Now I'll mention that safe mode is primarily designed to troubleshoot your device. So if you have some kind of problems with your phone, maybe it's misfunctioning, just not working as it's supposed to, and it's not fault of it being, for instance, dropped, but you think that it might be some kind of application or something like this, then you can boot it in safe mode. Now the reason I'm mentioning applications is because no application that you have installed will be working in this mode once it boots into it. So it disables every installed application or third-party application and only allows you to use the pre-installed apps that come with the device when you first boot it up. So you should be able to see them right now. So there we go. And that's it. Now once you're done with this mode, you can leave it by just holding power key and this time around selecting reboot. This will reboot the device and go back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.